Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you meet account requirements, age 13 or older, and account verification completed. Once done, open Roblox settings and flip on voice chat. This is the primary gate. Then, make sure your console privacy allows voice communication and that your headset is connected and selected as the console audio output. You do this first because permissions and hardware must be correct before joining a game, otherwise the chat toggle won't work. Now join a Roblox experience that supports voice. Some games do not enable it. Once in, open the in-game social or audio menu and join the voice channel or party. This connects you to other players. Next, configure mic settings. Set sensitivity and input level on your console to avoid clipping or being too quiet. Also enable spatial voice if available, because it places voices in 3D space for clearer directionality and immersion. Finish by testing voice. Call a friend or use the built-in voice test and speak naturally to confirm levels and clarity. If you still have no audio, check your console's network and NAT type. Strict NAT can block voice, and recheck Roblox app permissions for microphone access. If problems persist, restart the app and console, then try another headset to isolate hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a wired connection. Wi-Fi drops often break real-time voice on consoles. Wired stabilizes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.